Hey everyone, this is Eric for the Little Whitehouse, and today I wanted to talk about optimism. If this is your first time here, consider subscribing and hitting that notification bell so that you might be able to receive all of our videos. Now, this morning I heard somebody say, everything is an opportunity. And I am thankful today that there's people out there that are optimistic, because it helps keep me optimistic. I'm pretty much the glasses, when people ask me how I'm doing, I say I'm blessed, or my cup overfloweth, or something like that. But, there's plenty of things in life that can get you down if you aren't intentional about looking at life in a positive way. So, I just want to be thankful for people who do say things that, uplift and encourage people. And I want to encourage any of you who are suffering from depression, or you're just down and out for whatever reason, to start looking at motivational quotes, or listening to people who uplift and inspire you, because it definitely takes an intentional path, I guess, to change your way of thinking. And when you're thankful for things, and you're grateful, and you look at things in a more positive light, then the depression disappears, and you can not only help yourself, but you can help others. What are you thankful for today? Leave me a comment below. If you like this video, give us a thumbs up. If you think it can help somebody, please share it. We are also on Instagram, Facebook, Pinterest, and Twitter. Come over and join us on any of those platforms. And we are also an Amazon affiliate, so if you see anything in the description box below, go check it out. And if you buy something, you'll help yourself out, and us too. Anyway, that's my 2 cents for the day. Thanks for watching. God bless, and see you next time.